if you got them. Let's light up the nighttime sky. Now they are going to emphasize the ground spotlights on Gene's aircraft. The team will be standing up. You may see their silhouettes. And we're going to hit the spotlight on Sparky McNeely. Ladies and gentlemen, the award-winning Aeroshell aerobatic team in Twilight Time. You are part of this very special celebration, and you folks know throughout the course of the years, this team have been the favorite sons of this great air show, the Stuart Air Show, whether it's twilight time, daytime, nighttime. They have been here more than any other performer or performers have been here. Why? Because you, the spectators, say that you want them back.